Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Myself is Manjal Manali. In the previous class, we were doing the exercise 3.2. We have done two main questions. Okay. In today's class, we are going to do the third main. I will be continuing the class. Okay, students. One more student. Okay, students. One more student. Please like it and share it, students. Okay, students. Now let's start the class. I will be taking this class in English and Hindi bilingual language. Okay, so that everyone must understand it. Okay, students, now let's just start the class. Exercise 3.2 Understanding quadrilateral. I have done two main questions in the previous class. In today's class, I will be continuing from the third main. The third main question is first one. Can the quadrilateral ABCD be a parallelogram if angle D and B is 180 degree? Third main, there are three questions. In that one, first one is angle D, angle B be a 180 degree. Angle D plus angle B is equal to 180 degree in a quadrilateral parallelogram. Students, here parallelogram means this is a figure of parallelogram. In the previous class, I said it. A, B, C, D. It is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means opposite sides will be equal and opposite angles will be equal. See first here, angle D and B is 180 degree. Angle B is 180. These both are 180 degree. It is possible or not? We have to find it. We have to say, yes students, this is possible. Yes. Why means students? Here all the angles will be 90. Alternative angles will be 90 degrees. So in this condition, angle D plus angle B 180 is possible. The answer will be S. We can note down one point here. If it is S, how we can say S means if it is a parallel, AB is parallel to BC and opposite angles are equal, then we can say it is this equation will be equal to S. Okay. If you want, you can note down this point. The sum of adjacent angles should be 180 degree. The sum of adjacent angles must be 180 degree. First point. Second point, opposite angle must be equal. This opposite angle must be equal. Then only we can say this one will be equation will be equal. Okay, students, got it? Okay, note it down. This one, note down a point what I said, so that will be helpful. In this one, second question. In this one, second question is AB is equal to DC is 8 centimeter. AD is 4 centimeter and BC is 4.4 centimeter. Students, here in this condition, it is possible to draw a parallelogram or not. See students, in this one, AB is equal to DC means AB is equal to DC. This both length will be equal and parallel. Parallelogram condition. So the first condition is true. Second condition, AD is 4 centimeter. Here AD is 4 centimeter, but BC is 4.4. Opposite side must be equal. Opposite side must be equal. But in this condition, opposite sides are not equal. So we can say that by this, we cannot draw a parallelogram. This is not a parallelogram. So the second question, no, this is not a parallelogram. This is not parallelogram. Why means this condition is not satisfied. So here we can say that because of this condition, this is no. We cannot say this is a parallelogram. Okay, students? You must know the basic properties of the parallelogram. Then only you can solve this type of problems. Okay. Okay, students, note it down. I go to the next one. I hope that you have noted it down. Next one, third one. In this one, third one. Here, third one is angle A is 70 degree and angle C is 65 degree. So parallelogram is there, friends. So parallelogram ABCD is parallelogram. A is 70 degree. Angle C is 65 degree. Friends, in parallelogram, opposite angles. In parallelogram, opposite angles must be equal. But in this condition, opposite angles are different. So we can say that this is not a parallelogram. So the answer will be no. Okay, students, got it? It is somewhere telling this. You just note it down this one. I will go to the next column. Okay. If any doubt is there, please comment me. So students, here come the next question, fourth one. Draw a rough figure of the quadrant that is not a parallelogram but having two opposite angles equal measurement. There is a question, you must draw a rough figure, quadrilateral, rough figure of quadrilateral parallelogram. So I will take this figure, quadrilateral of a parallelogram. I will say this one as A, B, C, D. I will say B and D are equal. Angle B is equal to angle D are equal angles. Next one, this angle and this angle are different. I will say angle A, angle C not equal. So here the question is draw of exactly opposite sides are equal. So from this figure we can roughly say that angle B and angle C are equal. Angle A and angle C are not equal. From this figure we have to draw it. So I have drawn it and I show you. Okay, sir. When the opposite sides are not equal, this cannot be a parallelogram. This is not a parallelogram because this condition. Okay, students, got it? Okay, this is a solution of this one. Okay, note it down. So here the next question is fifth one. The measurement of any two angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measurement each of the angle. So friends, first we have to draw a parallelogram figure. This is a parallelogram figure A, B, C, D. The measurement of two adjacent angles. The measurement of two adjacent angles means I can take this and B and C. Adjustment angle are 3:2 ratio. Find the measurement of each of the angle. We have to find the measurement of each of the angles. Students, here we know that if we add both this, we will get 180 degrees. So I will take 3x and 2x, two ratios. If you add angle B, angle C is equal to 180 degree. Why this? It is an adjective angles. So From here, angle B means I will take B and C. Angle B means 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. So 5x is equal to 180. So x is equal to I get 36 degree. So here we are getting x is equal to 36. From here I can take 3x and 2x. 3 36 and 2 36. So this is the required solution what we are getting. 6 3 is 108. One angle is 3x is 108. Second one angle is 72 degree. So 3x we are getting 108 and 2x we are getting 72. In this way we have to solve this type of problems. Okay? Okay students, note it down. I'll go to the next problem. Students, if you are facing any problem, please comment me. Let me solve your problems. Okay. Okay, next question, sixth one. Two adjacent angle of an parallelogram having equal measure. Find the measurement of each of the angle of the parallelogram. Two adjacent of parallelogram having equal measurement. Find the measurement of each of the parallelogram. So this is a question. So first we must know the parallelogram. This is a parallelogram of AB, CD. We have to find out of each angle. Now in this question, two adjacent means I will take two adjacent are equal in length. Are equal in length means I will take x and x so that they are equal in length. So angle B is equal to angle C is equal. So I will take this one. So now I can say that angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because it is adjacent angle. So angle B and angle C are equal. So I take it as x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So 2x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be 90 here. Okay friends, x will be 90. So this angle will be 90 and this angle will be 90. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Means in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So I can say that angle A is equal to angle C and angle D is equal to angle B. So it will be 90 degree. It will be 90 degree. So this degree will be 90 and this degree will be 90. So students, here we find out all the angles are 90 degree. In this way, we have to solve this problem. Okay? Okay, students, got it? Okay. Okay, students, note it down. Okay, students, here I will be winding up this class. For remaining programs, I will be continuing from in the next class. Okay. Hope you understand my class very well. Please like it and share it as much as possible. Okay. Thank you, students.